Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make rice pilaf, one of the easiest things to make. I know a lot of people feel like they don't know how to make rice, so I'm trying to break this down the easiest way possible. So girl, if you fuck this up, I don't know what to tell you. Maybe get the boil in a bag or something because it's really easy. Anyway, let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is wash your rice. So go ahead and get some water and wash your rice. So then we're going to go ahead and strain that and make sure all the water is out. You don't want any water in your oil because it's not going to mix. Then in a small pot, we're going to go ahead and get some olive oil and some butter and melt that on low heat. Then we're going to go ahead and sweat our onions and our garlic. Sweat means to cook the food on low heat. Saute means to cook the food on high heat. So right now we're just going to sweat them because we don't want them to turn brown, but we also want them to be cooked. So that's why we're sweating them. Now after 5 minutes, you want to go ahead and add in your rice. Here I'm using jasmine rice, but you can use any long grain rice. It will work well with this recipe. Now once the rice is in, you want to go ahead and stir it and make sure that the rice is coated with like the olive oil and the butter. Then I'm going to go ahead and add in some dried oregano. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to, but I personally like to do it. I think it makes the rice taste better. So if you decide to do this step, you can either use dried oregano or fresh oregano and just stir that around. Go ahead and add in my chicken stock. The ratio for long grain rice is 2 cups of liquid to 1 cup of rice. So I'm going ahead and add 2 cups of chicken stock along with my 1 cup of rice. Also, if you're vegan or vegetarian, you can go ahead and supplement the chicken stock for vegetable stock. I'm sure you guys already do that. If you didn't, now you know. Then we're going to go ahead and season our rice with some pink Himalayan salt. And once we season this, we're going to bring it to a boil. Now, once it comes to a boil, we're going to go ahead and turn the heat down to low and then put a lid on it. Now, while this is cooking, you don't want to go ahead and try to keep stirring the rice. It's just going to mess the rice up. So just leave the lid on for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then once the rice is done, it's going to look something like this. And if it's not done, you can just check to see if there's any liquid in there. You can also taste it, whatever. But by this time, it should be done. If not, you can just add a little bit more liquid into it and cook it a little bit longer. But yeah, this is what it's going to look like. Now you want to go ahead and fluff this out with a fork. Don't use a spoon. It's not going to come out the same. It's probably going to mush your rice up. So make sure you use a fork, fluff this out, and you should be good to go. Y'all made rice. What's up? If you don't know how to make rice, I hope you learned how to make rice today. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.